Hello and thank you for joining our today discussion that's about how to connect two or more batteries in series and what is purpose of connecting them in series. Number 1, what is the purpose of connecting them in series? When we will connect two or more batteries in series, then voltage will be added up. Mean if each battery have 12 volt, when two batteries will be connected in series, voltage will be 24 volt. When three batteries connected in series, voltage will be 36 volt and so on. So our required, if we need 24 volt and we have two batteries, each battery have a 12 volt, so we can connect them in series and we can get 24 volt. And second thing, each battery have two parameters. Number 1 volt, number 2 capacity. Capacity mean Ah, ampere hour. So in this case capacity will remain same but voltage will be added up, because in series voltage will be added up and capacity will remain same. Mean if each battery have a 12 volt and 100 Ah and two batteries of same capacity and same volt are connected in series, then voltage will be double. Mean 24 volt will be available but capacity will be 100 Ah. When we will connect them in parallel, then voltage will be same and capacity will be double. But in this case, in our case, in series connection, voltage will be double and capacity will remain same. So I put my meter on DC volt and we will check here volt across each battery, so that after connecting them in series we can check how much volt at the end terminals. Each battery have a 12 volt here. Some battery have 13 point something because of charging. So this battery have 12 and this have 13.4. When I will connect them in series, what is the procedure? These are two batteries. When you will connect them in series, you will connect positive terminal of one battery with the negative of the other. So this will be series connection. Here remaining will be positive here and negative here. You will take from here as a load connection. 24 volt will be available here. Now I will connect them and you will see negative and positive. Negative and positive are connected together. So 24 volt will be available here, here and here. This is one of the negative terminal, this is positive terminal. This negative and positive are connected together. You can use this one negative and positive, you can connect them also as a jumper and you can take load from here. It's up to you. See here, voltage are 25.5 volt. These are sum of these two batteries. Now I will connect them and now I will connect four batteries in series and you will see negative of one battery with the positive of the other one. Now again negative of the one battery with the positive terminal of the other one. Again negative of the one with the positive of the other one. At the last, negative is available here for load connection and positive is available here for the load connection. What voltage will be here? If each battery is a 12 volt, 12, 12, 12, it will be 48 volt available here. So you will see here practical. These are four batteries. I will connect them in series. Negative, positive, again negative, positive, again negative, positive. See here negative, positive, again negative, positive. Volt here are 38.6 volt. These three batteries are connected in series. This one and this one. These are connected in series. These two terminals connected here, negative and positive. Again this one negative and positive connected here. So we will can take load from this one and this one if we needed 38.6 volt. Now fourth battery I will connect in series with them. Mean this one positive with negative here and I will take volt from here. Then voltage will be the fourth time of each battery. Now here I will connect these two one. If you can see here, I will connect this terminal with this one and voltage I will take from this one and from this one. It's 51.6 volt. This volts a sum of all of these four batteries as these are connected in series, but their capacity, delivering capacity, is same as of the each battery. Means if each battery have 100 Ah, so capacity will be same as 100 Ah, but voltages are double, not double, four time, because four batteries are connected in series. I think if you have any question, anything, you can ask easily without any hesitation. He will reply you very soon as possible.